System scan complete. Signal saturation detected. Auditory input exceeds processing threshold.
If background noise makes you feel tired, irritated, or suddenly done, your system isn't overreacting. It's overprocessing.
Lead, architect. Protocol 002 is online. Background noise accumulation detected. This is uncomfortable, but not dangerous. Initializing sensory load management. Loadout active. 3 tools only. The safety breath. Reduce signal intensity. The curiosity filter. Assign priority. The anchor. Stabilize attention.
You are not too sensitive. Your system just isn't filtering automatically right now. This is sensory layering. Your brain is treating background noise like foreground noise.
Priority filtering offline. All signals set to high importance. Energy drain increasing.
You're not distracted. You're overloaded.
Stabilize system. Inhale. 4. Exhale. Slow. 6. Repeat once.
You're not making the room quieter. You're lowering how intensely it hits you.
Curiosity filter. Select one sound. Safety check. Is this a threat right now? If no, label. Background data. Repeat once.
When you label it, your brain stops chasing it. Curiosity turns the alarm down. You're not fighting the noise anymore. You're observing a frequency.
Establish anchor. Choose one steady input. A fan. Your breath. A soft hum. If your attention drifts, return to the anchor.
Your brain needs one place to rest.
Reduce load. Select one. Distance. Step away. Buffer. Headphones or hood. Dampen. Close door. / lower volume. Execute at 50% speed.
You don't have to tough it out. You're allowed to change the environment. Your brain is not weak. It's high input.
High input systems require filtering, not suppression.
You don't fight the noise. You manage the signal.
You are the architect. Pattern logged. Unfiltered input increases energy drain. Adjustment strategy. Reduce intensity. Assign priority. Anchor attention system stabilizing.
This is not overwhelm. This is unfiltered input.
Incoming conflict. Task selected. No execution detected. Next episode. Why your system knows what to do, but can't start.
This is the social schematic. The pattern is yours to build.